Hello and thank you for joining me. My name is Priscilla Romero, and in this video I want to show you the warmer and scent of the month for the month of October. And this is what it looks like. Here's a little brochure that I get. And it's Mosaic Pumpkin, the most magical pick of the harvest. This handmade glass pumpkin radiates a warm, beautiful light. A decorative lid keeps that fresh off the vine feel. Is 6.5 inches tall, and it's a 20 watt. For the month of October, you do get 10% off. So normally it's $55. For the month of October, it's $49.50. Again, this is what it looks like. And then for the scent of the month, this is Fairy Tale Pumpkin. And it's like a purple color. And they say in this, a Fairy Tale Pumpkin is the scent of the month for October. An epic fantasy of harvest pumpkin, midnight black raspberry, and a whisper of black licorice. And this is in the fruity section. And I have to tell you, I cannot smell this licorice at all. When I can smell this, when everything's together, it smells like grapes, like purple grapes. That's what it smells like. I cannot smell the licorice at all. And I can't smell the pumpkin or the raspberry, but together it smells like grapes. So it's 10% off for the month of October. So the scent bar is $5.40. The room spray that I have, this is $7.20. These are all the 10% off prices that I'm reading off to you. And then the scent circle is $2.70. So let's go ahead and dive in and put this in for you and turn it on. So it's a 20 watt light bulb, which you can put a color light bulb in. Scentsy now has 15, 20, and 25 colored light bulbs. And this is what it looks like when it's not on. It's pretty heavy, actually. You can see the purple, the orange glass. And then it has the, it looks like a pumpkin. I mean, it's cute. It's pretty heavy. So this is what it looks like when it's not on. They have a groove for the cord here. And then this is what it looks like. It's purple stained glass, or orange stained glass. I don't know why I keep saying purple. Maybe because I'm looking at the scent bar also. So, and then here is the top of the warmer, which is cute. It's the top of the pumpkin with the little leaves and a little curly design on it. It's very cute. Okay, and then here is the dish. You can put in no more than 4 cubes in this one. And of course, when I say cubes, I'm talking about the scent bars. No more than 4 cubes. I usually do 2 cubes for me, for the area that I keep my warmers in, because I have about 4, 5 going on at the same time in different rooms. So I just put in a couple cubes in it, so it smells that area and not through the whole house. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the dish in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. That's cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's not on with the cover on it. Isn't that cute? I'm going to move it back so you can see it a little bit. But I'm going to move it closer so you can see it. The stained glass orange. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on for you. Oh, let me shut this light. Okay, this is so pretty. So here's what it looks like far away. I don't know if you can tell that much being far away. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this closer. Look at how pretty this is. Isn't this gorgeous? Seriously, I like this one. So this is $49.50 for the 10% off for the month of October. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love pumpkins. I love fall. Winter also. Isn't this pretty? So I'm going to move it far away. Don't know if you can tell what it looks like. but I'm going to bring it closer for you. Isn't that pretty? And then there's the cover for it. Wow, this is really pretty, you guys. I wouldn't even put in a color light bulb on this one. I like the 20 watt, the clear light bulb that you get with this. So I wouldn't even do a color. And they do have orange light bulbs, but I don't think you need it. And you know, I'm big on color light bulbs. So I just don't think you need it on this one. So again, this one is a Mosaic pumpkin warmer. It is $49.50 for the month of October. Normally it's $55. For the fairy tale pumpkin scent bar, it's $5.40. That is the 10% discount price. The room spray again is $7.20. That is also the 10% discount price. And then the scent circle is $2.70. 10% discount price. So this is really cute. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. This is the brochure I'm sending off to everybody with a sample of the scent bar. So I just wanted to take time to show you this new warmer. You can locate me on Instagram, Pinterest, of course Facebook. I have my VIP group. I'll put all that information down below along with my email address if you would like to send me an email if you have any questions. Please contact me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure the bell is grayed out so that you do get notice of when I post videos for you. Again, thank you so much for taking time out of your day. Thank you for your nice comments and your questions. I appreciate that, and I hope everyone is staying safe. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.